This video is going to be a little different from any of the ones I've done so far. This is going to be a learning process. I'm learning a new piece of editing software, and well, I don't have it down yet. So my apologies if things aren't quite right. It's a learning curve. I'll catch you up to what I'm doing in a future video. That's not the subject of this video. Today, well, let's move on and you'll get to see. Today was a Harrbor Freight day. I had a couple of things I needed to swap out for safety's sake, and I'll show you that in a second. But I picked up something I've been delaying for well over a decade. Came up to a need, and I'll show you what I got. Well, okay. I had, for my truck and my van, these 6-ton jack stands. I had the Pittsburgh brand 6 tons. Now, the models I had were not subject to the recall, but they were one of those, bring them in, we'll give you your money back anyway. But they would only give me what they thought the Pittsburghs were worth and not what the Daytonas were worth. Well, Harrbor Freight thinks the Pittsburghs were worth $59.99. They usually ask $79.99 for these Daytonas. And I didn't want to give them extra money to swap them out. So what I did, Harrbor Freight has their Black Friday and the spring sale going on, and they had a coupon for $59.99 for these. So I had to go to 2 different stores, but I got these as a direct swap out for the Pittsburghs. I've heard good things about the Daytonas. Hopefully I won't drop my truck on my head. We'll see. Now for the delayed item. I've been needing a palm router. And, well, the Bosch Colt is just too expensive. I needed something that I could handhold a little more easily than the 2.5 horse Hitachis I've got. This was on a coupon for $34.99. Can't beat that. It'll let me do some of the fine detail work. I'm in too enclosed of a space to set up a tripod, so doing an unboxing really isn't going to work very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox that router and show you what comes in the box. Okay, well, this is it. We've got the router itself. I'm going to have to check to make sure that my collars fit. Got the wrenches that allow you to swap out the bits, the edging guide, a nut that holds it on. That's the adjuster bar for the edging guide, the owner's guide, and a set of replacement brushes. And there we go with our edging fence installed. The fence has 2 holes and a couple of different setups. You can use this as a circle cutting guide or as a straight edge fence. So this will definitely be useful. Thank you for watching my video. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends. Feel free to go back and check out the old stuff in the videos list. There's a lot of really interesting stuff back there. I hope you stick with me as we move forward with our adventures and our projects. And like I've said many times before, get out there, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.